Well, I'll say your patient's recovery is going well. You're not even gonna acknowledge what I did for him. You just can't admit that it was my research that made this possible.
I'm delighted that your patient's going to recover, doctor. You gambled, he won. Not all your patients are so lucky. But you scare me, Dr. Beck. You jeopardize your patients' lives and justify it in the name of research. You cut right through living tissue. You put research ahead of your patients' lives. And as far as I'm concerned, that's a violation of our most sacred trust. I'm sure your work will be hailed as a stunning breakthrough. Enjoy your laurels, doctor. I'm not sure that I could.